Hi everyone, welcome to SHLR Technosoft. So this is the application for Central University of Anantapur, and today I'm going to explain about the examination module that has been built by SHLR Technosoft for the Central University of Anantapur. This is the teachers module. So teachers module is where only the modules that is related to teachers have been found. So let's go on with examination. So firstly, it is going to be exam group. So basically, why exam group is so before we assign any subject or before we assign any uh, class to a particular exam, there must be an exam group, meaning there must be a name of the exam under which all the subjects get added. So that is the main purpose of examination group. Yeah. So as we can see, there has been a lot of exams that we have done here. So let us put it as a new exam name. Let us name it as teachers exam. Select type to be general type. Click on save. Here we must add exam to the exam group. So we have to click on the plus button that we can see here, and then go to new exam. So here basically after adding exam group, this is the name of the exam that we give. So exam group could be teachers exam, but what exam it is, it is going to be the first exam, for example. So this is going to be the first exam, and session is for 2020-21, and we are going to click on publish. And please remember not to publish result initially, only just click on publish exam or just publish. Click on save. Now since the records have been saved, we now go on adding exam subjects. Or first we have to assign the exam to a particular class. So I click on this option and select the program, that is semester 1 and section name. Click on search, and you know assign this. So exam is assigned to this particular class and all the students present in the particular class. So after this, we go here to add exam subjects. Let us click on normal subject. So we are adding example English, and the date is tomorrow, and time would be 9 a.m. Time from would be same as time. It would be 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. After this, let us just put credit hours as 2. This is credits that is given on completing the exam successfully. Maximum marks to be 100, minimum marks to be 40, and click on save. So we have added one exam, that is normal exam or core exam. Now we go on adding elective exams, group 2, and let us add tour guiding and interpretation again for tomorrow. So we'll add this from 9 a.m. sorry 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. So duration from also remains the same, sorry, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Credit hours to be 2, room number supposed to be 1, marks 100, and minimum marks to be 1. So the subjects have been added now. So now we go back here. Let's go back to the exam, and we are now not seeing the results for now. So this is exam schedule. So exam schedule is where you will be able to find the exam that is scheduled. That is the upcoming exam. So let us teachers exam and exam. So this shall let us know the date and time when it is going to begin. So we have English exam that is going to begin and the first exam. And next we have IM Master. Okay. So basically what IM Master is, we have to enter the number of internal assessment marks that the institution would conduct. So it depends on institution. It depends from institution to institution. Some would have three IA marks, some would have four IAs. So here we have given four IA. We have given option for student to attend until fourth IA as an IA components to IA. So we have first IA that is present here, and a component is presentation. This can't be saved, but here every IA will have combination of presentation, viva, and attendance. It will be the combination of all three. So it again depends on institution as what combination they would want to have. So here we have all three of it. Next we have subject wise marks, maximum marks assignment. So here what happens is, so here initially we have the subject's name and the component here, and the component maximum marks is set to be 10 marks. So this also can be edited. Here this also can be edited. You can give it to some other component and change the maximum marks according to the institution, or else delete it. We have that facility. So this is how the marks have been mapped. Yeah. So now going back to the exam group. So let me show you how you assign the marks. So again go on the plus button. Once you've been there, go to add exams added, exam subjects, and exam marks. Go to the third icon. Okay. So this is the English duration that's present here, and enter marks. Select the semester, the session, and the section. Click on search. So let us assign marks to the female student here. So you see IA marks here. So this is important. So here, as we can see, the maximum marks has been hard coded. That is 10. That I mean, meaning that you can see it on the background. So yeah, the 10 being the maximum marks, you must enter marks only from 0 to 10. So it could be 9. Viva could be around 8, around 9 again. And if the student is absent, it can be marked as absent. Else, you can enter the marks. Let me enter it as 90 and click on save. So marks now has been allotted successfully. Now we have entered the IA marks and the examination marks. Go to exam results. So going to exam results, go to teacher's exam, select the exam, first exam session, and program would be for semester 1, and section would be A section. Click on search. So Vanita's name is being displayed here because only Vanita's marks has been assigned and the other person's marks has not been assigned. And here in the English first IA, we see the marks is 26, and we see here it is 116 out of 100. So what happens here is it depends from institution to institution, because some of the institutions prefer only best of three, and some others prefer a best of two, and while others go for average of three. So that is varying from college to college. So once that is set, the grand total would also be set accordingly. So now according to our results, Vanita is has passed the exam. So this is the exam results. This is how that can be viewed. Now go back to print mark sheet. So I can print the mark sheet. Exam 1 session. Section A marks template marks card. So these templates can be made. More templates can be made, and that can be made visible. And design mark sheet and print mark sheet, and both are the same. All the exam scores that is being scored is getting printed. Sorry, looks great. So this is what the grade will be assigned as: A plus if the person scoring between 90 and 100, and B plus if the person scoring between 70 and 80, and B if the score is between 60 and 75. So this is all about the examination module.